Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you on how you can go ahead and wear multiple accessories on Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you can go ahead and do these methods inside your mobile devices or even on your Windows PC. You can just go ahead and open up the official Roblox from your browser, and once inside, we want to head over to our avatar section. Inside Avatar, you can just go ahead and click on accessories, and you want to choose your body part. In my case, I'll be choosing face. Now once inside, as you can go ahead and see, I already have one equipped accessory inside my face right here. And if you want to go ahead and equip multiple accessories, you can just go ahead and click on the advanced section. Inside advanced, you can go ahead and see that we have multiple assets ID. If you want to wear multiple accessories, you can just head over to the accessories that you want to wear. For example, I have this accessories right here, which is the red eye glare. You can just go ahead and copy the asset ID, and you want to paste it back to the advanced options. You have to make sure that you own all of these accessories in order to take effect on your character. And so right after, you can just go ahead and click on save, and the accessories will be equipped to your character. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.